I'm interested in buying a pool, but I've got big question marks around what size of pool I need, and also I'm really concerned that I get a really beautiful pool area and outcome in terms of the landscape, where the pool sits on my property. Are you able to answer those questions?
Oh, look, those are the most common questions asked, and yeah, we want to get it right for the client, and because it's a huge investment that people make, and it's a great investment as far as getting it right for the family, understanding the size of the family, understanding the property, the size of the property, and understanding what range of pools works for them. So yeah, we try and sort of get that all together and make it work.
So say I've decided to get a pool, I've obviously made a deposit. How long is the process from there for the pool to arrive, and then also to get all of the other project organisation things underway?
It's pretty simple, to be honest. Once deposit's made, I put the order through to the factory and Tauranga. So from the start, as soon as that order is in with the factory, it's essentially 2 weeks. So we can have a pretty quick turnaround once that process starts. And yeah, we organise all contractors, and that's actually one of the easiest sides of things to do. So look, we can have it done pretty quickly, a couple of weeks from deposit. Yeah.
What about council? Obviously you operate through the whole lower North Island. There's a lot of different councils. Is that something that you push back on me, the customer, or do you guys handle that as well?
Yeah, the application process varies between different councils, and depending on the situation of the site, the property. Sometimes I get an engineer involved who understands the logistics of what I'm doing, and it's pretty easy. Most councils have different processes, and yeah, we just work through each council as they come through.
I'm not particularly interested in having like a massive construction site on my property for months and months and months. When that pool arrives, how long is it going to take to get that into the ground and complete?
Yeah, this is one of the beautiful things about drop-in pools. Essentially, as soon as we get the excavator in, I'll get the pool in the ground pretty much on the same day sometimes.
Yeah.
And from there, it's only 5 days. Basically, you're swimming in that pool, and we're tidying up.
So you're going to give me a quote and project manage and all these sorts of things. So when you give me a quote, can I expect that that'll be the entire cost, or will there be some hidden costs that might come up? Are you going to leave some things to me to do, or is your quote going to give me a really good idea of the entire cost?
Look, I try and sort of put together the quote the best I can for the client, and to make sure there are no hidden costs. But sometimes there is the little odd thing that comes up. But I do try and make the client aware that these things may happen.
So that might be something like the council has some more requirements.
Yeah, exactly. Ground stability may not be correct. We might have to dig down a little bit deeper for the foundations.
Yeah.
Just minor things like that. That once we get the job running and underway, these little things pop up. But I try and make the client aware that they can happen.
So, like, I get a pull from you. It's very easy to get in. I'm going to be really aware of all the processes that are involved, because you guys are going to make me really aware, and you're also going to kind of hold my hand through the process. What about the longevity of the pool? Like, it's a fiberglass pool. It's been molded somewhere, and we put it in the ground, can't see it. What consumer protections do you guys have?
Look, you're covered by a couple of things really. You're covered by the manufacturer's warranty, which is a lifetime warranty. Most of your pool shells have that.
What's a lifetime warranty?
It's 25 years plus. And our ones are constructed for New Zealand conditions, so you'll get plus out of that any day of the week. And you are covered under the Consumers Act as far as tradesman warranties and workmanship, essentially. So if things do go wrong, touch wood, they never have. The client is covered, and we talk through that process with the client and make sure they're happy with those warranties. So I'm pretty used to working with clients closely to get a project done correctly to the client's satisfaction. Because things change. The client may look at something and say, that doesn't quite suit. So, we have to adapt and make them suit, so we get an end result that works for the client. So that's the bottom line, really.
Okay, cool. Well, thanks very much, Tony, and I hope this video has been of use to you guys as much as it has been to me. So, thank you.
Cool. Thank you. Cheers, John.